Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to update AMD graphics driver effectively on any version of Windows like using 10, Windows 11, or any other version. So the very first way is to open the browser in your computer and type www.amd.com. I'll mention the link in the description so that you can open it. All right. And once you open this site, you will have, this is a manufacturer site of AMD, and here we can auto detect and install driver updates for AMD Radeon series graphics and Ryzen chipsets. So we need to click on download Windows driver, and you can only update the graphics, and if you do not want to update the chipsets, you get the option to do that. So I'll open once it is downloaded, and it will ask you to say yes, and then it will start detecting. And once you do that, you can simply uncheck chipsets and everything, because you might, face challenges if any update is not required. So if you only want to update the graphics, you can do that. The second option is to scroll down and here select the graphics and know what exactly the product family is. If you do not know about that, you can do a right click on your start icon and then go to device manager. You can also search device manager and it will open up like this. And here we have this display adapters. So in display adapters, you will find anything related to AMD, and the name will be there, what graphics you have. And once you know that, then you can simply search it and then download and install it. The third way is the easiest way is to come here in the device manager and go to the display adapters, select it, do a right click, click on update driver, and then search automatically for drivers. And if it says the best driver of your device are already installed, you can click on this search for updated drivers on Windows Update. And then you can simply check for updates. And then go to advanced options, scroll down. I'm sorry, I'll go back. Here we will go to update history. And here we have this driver update option. So you will find whatever is required, whatever is available, you will find right here under Windows Update, Update History, and Driver Updates. So you can also try that. It will be very, very good for you, and your computer will be way better. Do let me know in the comment section if this tutorial is helpful, and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and I'll be glad if you leave a comment. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Take care.